You must have seen this latest controversy.
There is a brand called Eggo's Nutrition. जी हाँ, मैं भी इन्हीं के अंडे खाता हूँ, so I am shocked as well. इनका अंडे का टेस्ट किया एक independent YouTube channel ने called Trustified, and they found certain banned substances inside this.
Here's my take on this as a nutritionist. It's true that trace elements of AOZ were found in a batch of Eggos eggs. Considering that it's banned due to carcinogenic effects, it's but natural that questions are asked and trust is shaken. But here's what you need to know. The test showed trace amounts below permissible levels. While of course ideally there should be none as per the brand's promise of zero antibiotic eggs, the amounts were negligible and in no way pose danger of causing cancer. But this controversy exposes a huge gap in our food manufacturing and processing chain. Our markets run the risk of foods containing nitrites, dioxins, heavy metals, pesticides, and chemicals. Many of these go unregulated. In this chaos today in India, there are a few brands passionate enough to bring you clean food. Yes, they're expensive because they spoil faster, have lower yields, and higher production costs. Some brands invite people to visit their farms to see for themselves their best practices. They invest in available, credible certifications too. They demand higher pricing, but consumers want it because finally it's about their health. Then comes a controversy sparking fear that's not completely baseless but not completely true either. Now there's mistrust. I even had clients call me and ask me whether they should give up on eggs completely. Not done. So here's what we must demand. Number one, government regulated food bodies must conduct periodic checks of foods from different batches in the market and display results for public viewing on authenticated websites. Number two, periodic checks at manufacturing and farm sites from water to finished products to credit the claims made. Number three, public farm visits must be a non-negotiable to build trust. We need awareness with 100% facts. There's good work happening in the food market that could reduce health risks. It's expensive today due to fewer players, but with better certifications, higher demand, and more players, the costs will come down. We need to encourage organic, safe, humane farm practices with awareness and strict regulations. A win-win for both the suppliers and consumers. Do not let fear drive your choices. Let information drive them.